Chase down your opponent and watch your back in this agility game we call Roadrunner. Use a half-court size space. Then, use cones to create circles spaced out around the floor. Here's how it looks. Divide the group into pairs and send each one to a circle, standing on opposite sides. Within each pair, make one player the Roadrunner and the other the Coyote. On your call, the Coyote has 15 seconds to chase the Roadrunner around the circle, trying to tag them. In the first round, neither player has a ball. In round 2, the Roadrunner has a ball. Then, give both players balls in round 3. After all 3 rounds, Roadrunners and Coyotes swap roles and play again. Here, players practice running with and without the ball. In both cases, it's important they keep their head up and their eyes forward to stay alert and avoid collisions. Once they start dribbling, remind players to spread their fingers and only let their fingertips touch the ball. This will make each bounce more predictable and controlled.